Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today I'm going to show you a DIY cleanup from the ingredients that are available in your kitchen, and the best part is the one main ingredient that we need to make this cleanup is tomatoes. Now tomatoes are very good to remove tan from your skin. It is good for acne, it's good for oily skin, it's good for removing dirt and grime from the face, and it gives a proper glow and brightening effect to your skin. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm gonna tie my hair up. So that the hair doesn't come in my way. You can put a hairband. I love putting hairband, but I don't know where did Kiara keep it. So now I'll tell you. This is the tomato pulp. I have grinded it. Now first step is cleansing your face. Take a cotton pad or a cotton ball, dip it in tomato, remove the excess, and at least for 30 seconds to a minute cleanse your face. That means gently massage your face. It will help remove the tan and remove all the dirt. Now wash your face with clean water. So you can see I washed my face with clean water. From the cleanser only it's given a nice result. Now if you have a steamer, steam your face with it. But if you don't have a steamer, what we can do is, I've taken a bowl and there's hot water in this. Put my towel in it, removing my towel, remove the excess. Now put this hot towel on your face for at least 2 minutes, so that your pores get opened up. I'm gonna put it like this. So after 2 to 5 minutes, your pores are all opened up. Now the second step in cleanup is scrubbing. Now take a tomato, cut it into half, and I have taken this is sugar. This is powdered sugar. You have to dip the tomato in it and scrub your face like this. It really helps with removing your dead skin, your whiteheads, blackheads, and it even removes excess oil from your face. So keep scrubbing your face like this. You can even scrub it on your lips. So I'll put water on my face. I'm going to dry it a bit. You can see the glow from now only. Now the last part in any cleanup is to use a face mask. So in the same glass there's already tomato pulp. Now I am adding half a lemon because my skin is oily. If your skin is normal to dry, instead of lemon you can add honey in it. So adding lemon. Lemon also gives a nice brightening effect on your skin. And for the dry skin, if you are using honey, then honey is going to moisturize your skin. Now I will be adding a spoon of 2 spoons actually of besan. Besan also is good to get a glowing skin. So you can see. And the last ingredient that I'm going to add in this, coffee. Coffee, though you might be knowing it's so good for your skin. So again adding a bit of coffee in it, and then keep on stirring. Now we will slowly apply it on the face. So you can see. Keep it a bit away from your eyes, guys. It should not go in your eyes, because the eye area is really sensitive from anything on your face. It's more sensitive than the lips too. You might be knowing I apply everything on your lips also. Why not to get the proper result on the lips also, along with the mask of the face. So we've all applied it. Now, as you know, we did not use any massaging cream or in any massaging anything, whatever you call it. So what we're going to do is the same mask, I'm going to massage it. Massage it really well for 2 to 4 minutes. Now what you can do is, around your eyes, close your eyes and then do it like this, okay? Trust me, guys, you do this cleanup once a week, you don't need to go to the parlor. It's so nice. It's gonna give that glow and brightening effect, and I am really a fan of the glow and the brightening effect. Okay, so I've massaged my face. Now the remaining mask, again I'm gonna put it. Let it rest for 10 minutes till the time it gets semi-dried, and then I'll show you my face. It is all dried up. I'll show you. Semi-dried consistency, but it's okay. Again, in the same bowl, I've taken chilled water and the towel, what I'm going to use. So first, I'm going to show you results. Today I'm going to bleach my face in front of you, okay? So, you can see, if you wipe your face like this, it's going to take your dirt also away. And we are using cold water because it will tighten our pores which are open. So you can see, just see the glow on my face. It's looking so pretty. We're gonna do the whole face like this only. With cold water. So I washed my face with cold water, chilled water. Wipe my face. And at least for 2 to 4 hours, don't apply anything on your face, especially no face washes, so that it gives a proper glow on your face. Now you can see, I'll give a close look of my skin to you. So you saw how pretty my face is looking. Please do at least try it once. In the first time only, it's gonna show you results, and you're surely gonna love it. And if you like it for the first time only, so please do at least do it twice a month. Twice a month is all good, for especially for your summers. You need to do this tomato cleanup, and you're gonna love it. I really love it. So if you like my DIY clean up with all the ingredients that you get in your kitchen. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.